Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm going to show you a very important strategy for those who are beginners in making money on clickbank. Those who have really want to make money from clickbank, this is the video for them. Okay, so I am going to show you a free method which you can get a clickbank sale really fast. Okay, so if you are really interested in clickbank marketing and want to make money out of it, because this is one of the best opportunity to make money online, because this is the easy money. Okay, so now let's jump into the content and I will show you how to do this simple stuff. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is go to this website which is known as clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, I just really suggest you to create one simple account. Okay, so this will be really great for you. And after you have created an account, what you have to do is go to this thing which is known as marketplace, which is over here in the top of the page. After going to marketplace, all you have to search is here, find products. Okay, free bracelet. Okay, and just click on search. So here you can find a product which is known as second one. Okay, this second one, which is known as free Reiki energy bracelet. Okay, this is one of the product which we are going to promote. And what is the main thing about this product is all you have to do is give away this product. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sell this product. All you have to do is give away this product for free, and you are going to make money out of this. Now let's check some of the details about the product. What is the product about and how it works? Okay, so here you can see that this is a simple page about the product, and you can see that you can do this all this banner ads and whatever you want, but we won't require them because all you have to do is give away this product absolutely for free. Okay, so this is really awesome about this thing. Now let's check out the landing page, how it looks like, because I clearly suggest to you that whatever product you are promoting from clickbank, just check out the details of that of their landing page, how they look and what type of product it is, because if you have product knowledge, then it would be better for you to promote that product. So this is the landing page of the product. Okay, so all you have to do is just claim your free. So this landing page is definitely giving away this product for free. Okay, so what they are doing is they are just doing this, giving away this product absolutely for free, and after that they are doing some of the upsells. Okay, this is really simple. What if someone just claims this bracelet? Okay, then after that he is given some of the extra material over here, and also they are trying to, they will upsell some of the product to them, and if they are able to upsell those one of the product, then they are definitely going to pay you a commission, which is $9 and 55 cents. So this is really awesome, and they are collecting some email marketing. Okay, so they will be collecting the email, they will be sending the emails for you, and if they make a sale, you earn a commission because you are at the first place providing them with a customer. So this is really awesome. Now I will be showing you how you are going to promote this product. Okay, this is really easy, really simple. I have shown you this method many of the times, but still I'm going to show it to you again. Okay, so what the method which we are going to utilize is this. Go to here and just type in law of attraction. One of the thing is that, see, you can see there are many of the videos just like this which are related to law of attraction. See here is one of the video about law of attraction, and what they have done is that they have provided all these links over here. So what you are going to do is create this type of simple videos. Okay, let me skip this ad. This ads come up. Okay, now see, this is one of the video in which they are just showing some of the images, and they have utilized some of the stock photos and images. Now I will be showing you in the end of the video the software which these people are utilizing to create this type of simple videos. Okay, so you can also create this type of simple videos just by working 10 minutes a day. That's not really a big deal. Anyone can do this technique, okay, really easily, really simply. Okay, now what is this? That this is one of the channel, Your Universe, and you can see they are selling some of the master class over here, and there is something, all the things which are over here they have shown it. But what you are going to do is you are just simply going to do really easy stuff. Now you are going to create this type of videos, and what you are going to do is you are going to provide this the link, the affiliate link of this product in this description, and there is definitely this product is going to sell because it is a free giveaway, and people who are mostly on YouTube are absolutely interested in free giveaways. So if this type of video, there is a link in the description which says that claim your free giveaway over here, then they are definitely going to click and claim the free giveaway. And if they claim the free giveaway, and just these people will try to upsell them a product, and if they are able to upsell them a product, then you are definitely going to receive a commission of $10. This is almost $10 per click, so this is really a good amount of money. If you are able to just make 10 sales a day, then it is definitely easy for you to get $200 a day every single day. This is real simple method and strategy which many of the affiliate marketers are utilizing. Now let me show you which of the software they are using. The software's name is known as Content Samurai. I have created a video on Content Samurai before this also, so just go and browse to my channel. You will find many of the videos related to Content Samurai also. Okay, so it is a 7-day free trial, so for 7 days you can create this type of videos absolutely for free. And if you don't know how to use Content Samurai, the first thing what you have to do is just go to YouTube and find out some of the tutorials how to create a video on Content Samurai. You will find a ton of videos on that. I'm not going to show you each and everything in this video because this video may get almost very long, and that's not something which I want to do with you, because I don't want to waste your time. I want you to learn money, and I want you to make money first, and after that I will make all the money which is possible for me. So this is the software which most of the affiliate marketers are utilizing and using to create this type of, to earn money and promote this type of simple affiliate products. Okay, creating this type of really simple to create and easy videos. Many of the people can really do this and start making money out of this. Many of the people are absolutely really making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this simple videos and this simple strategy. There is no rocket science in this strategy. Many of the affiliate gurus will be telling you that it requires a major amount of work, it requires a really big deal. All it requires is some work which is done in a consistent manner. So listen to the line carefully, that affiliate marketing requires work which is done consistently. Means you just have to become consistent with this. Okay, you need to create this type of videos every single day for at least 3 months. After that, your channel will be getting some of the traction, and you will start getting views every single day, and you will be promoting your product to more and more people every single day and start making really good money out of this. This is really an awesome strategy which most of the people are utilizing on YouTube, and people are making a ton of it. They are not running ads, they are not creating any difficult content, they are just working 5 to 10 minutes a day doing some smart work and just making a ton of money out of this, doing this simple, real, easy strategies. And this is really some easy amount of passive income which you can earn. But one of the most important thing which is stopping you from earning this income is lack of action, because many of the people who are new in the make money online field or affiliate marketing field are trapped in a cycle which is called video watching cycle. Because I call it specially video watching cycle, because this is such a cycle in which what you do is you just watch one video, after that you watch another video, after that you watch another video, but you never take action on any of the thing or any of the method which is shown in the video. So this is one of the thing which even I also faced at the first when I was new to make money online and affiliate marketing. What I did was I just kept on collecting information but never implemented or never applied any of that information which I have gained. Okay, and that due to that I have wasted much more of my time, and due to which I am not able to earn that good money which I should be earning if I started earlier. So this is really important. So if you are going to take action, make a resolution in 2020 that you are definitely going to make big money in 2020. If you are really want to make money, I just suggest you to create a goal that you are going to earn $100,000 a year in 2020. And how you are going to do is by creating content on a consistent basis. Then this is definitely possible for you. You can earn even more than $100,000 a year. This is real good. People are making millions of dollars doing simple affiliate marketing, and this is something which you should tap into, because in 2018 this market was grown up to 40%. In 2019 it is about 60%, which is my speculation. This is not any data, but this is my speculation that it has grown to 60%. In 2020 it is going to be 100% almost. In 2021 maybe it may grow to 200 to 300%. So people are knowing that this market is really growing, and there is a really big chunk of money which is about to be made in this market. So the best strategy to join any business is to join the business which is growing really fast, and this is the one of the best opportunity for you to earn money in this growing market. Make a big chunk of money. There are billions of dollars to be earned in this industry in the next 5 years. So if you want to be the next millionaire, earn millions of dollars, then this is the best opportunity. Jump into it and take massive action. If you are really going to take action on this method which I am showing you in this video, then type in the comment box massive action taken. Okay, then this is really going to make you some big money. So if you like my video, if you like my content, then just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.